I'm just saying, this could get interesting.
Pick up the box. Your daddy box.
Luke has an idea.
Hey.
Probably Monkey needs to be involved with this situation, don't you think?
Oh, Joel, look what Daddy has. Ooh, look. Look,
Show a monkey.
look, Joel.
Oh, that's a puff.
Look. Ooh, piece of candy. Look. Come on. Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy. Ah! Got him! I got him! We've been trying to get him for years. We got him! He's gonna go be examined by top men.
You literally trapped your kid in a laundry basket.
Like that Chris Fox.
Now what?
I have the controls.
What do you have to say for yourself right
Finally
now?
got him after all these years. It wasn't exactly a piece of candy that got him there, but we got him.
Look at all his little puffs around him. Okay,
I got him.
we should stop this now. Oh, he's sucking his thumb, Luke. You want to come out, Nunu?
I think he pooped
Yay!
himself.
You think he'll go back to that?
Yes. I need a bigger basket.
Joel, say my daddy loves me, believe it or not.
My daddy trapped me in a piece of candy basket.
He's pissed at you.